Let's journey into the heart of a small-scale safety matchbox factory. A place where everyday objects take shape. This fascinating process transforms simple materials into a product we often use without a second thought. Our tour begins with the humble matchsticks, the very foundation of the matchbox. Machines, their gears humming a rhythmic tune, are responsible for shaping the raw wood into the slender sticks. These sticks are then carefully organized and prepared for their crucial next phase. This phase, the creation of the match heads, is a critical step in the process. It involves a precise chemical dipping process, where the matchstick tips are submerged into a carefully formulated solution. This specialized solution typically comprises a blend of chemicals, including phosphorus and other compounds, that are engineered to ignite upon friction, ultimately enabling the match to light and produce a flame. The dipped match heads are then carefully dried, ready for the next stage. With the matchsticks prepared, the focus shifts to the matchbox itself, the container that safeguards and carries the matches. Usually constructed from sturdy cardboard, the boxes are assembled with precision. The construction process involves cutting, folding, and gluing the cardboard pieces meticulously, creating the enclosure that will house the matches and provide the striking surface. Each box is meticulously crafted to ensure both structural integrity and a functional design. The next step involves filling the box, whether by automated machinery or the skilled hands of workers. The matches are carefully counted and inserted into the prepared boxes. The precision of this step ensures the accurate number of matches per box, as specified by industry standards. After filling, the box is sealed, ready to embark on its journey to store shelves, homes, and businesses. Quality control checks are often implemented to ensure the matchboxes meet all safety and performance standards. It's a meticulously coordinated operation, a symphony of multiple steps, from the raw wood that forms the matchsticks to the finished, ready-to-use matchbox. The entire process is a testament to the principles of simple, efficient manufacturing. Each stage, from the stick-making process, to the chemical dipping for the head, to the careful filling and sealing of the box, plays an essential and vital role in creating the common, everyday safety matchbox that many people use daily. This process ensures the product's safety and functionality for its intended use.